Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials, and in this video today we are going to learn how to create shield in Scratch. For all of you who don't know what a shield is, it's a piece of armor, and in most fantasy roleplay games you will need to create this one if you already don't have it in your Sprite library. Same with similar weapons and armors, which we will create in next videos, but so far we are going to create for start some simple like this, or to be more precise like this image, and we will use that later maybe in some game. Okay, I will hide the cat sprite with this button here, show hide, because I will maybe later need it to test the shield which I will create now. Then I will go to this button here which says choose a sprite, hover over it and click on paint because I want to start from scratch. Zoom in with this magnifying glass, plus button, then go to I think rectangle would be good, and for the color which I have it's some kind of purple, it's okay. Outline is black with 4. Let me go back to 1 pixel, and I will click on the window for sketching and drag, and if I press shift, if you remember from previous lessons, it will constrain my shape to square. If not, I can go to rectangle, vertical or horizontal, but I want to try with some kind of square, simple as this. Okay, we have drawn the rectangle. Now I will go to select it and move it maybe in the middle like this. Okay, maybe a little bit more to the top, and all I have to do is to create some kind of circular shape to the bottom, some kind of oval shape. So this point on the bottom, I want to create that. And how to do it? So far, if I click on select button, we have only 4 of those control points, or to be more precise, I will click on reshape, and as I can see I have 4 circles: top left, top right, bottom right, but I need one in the middle here. So all I have to do is click in the middle here, and I have created the vertex or point, and click and drag it to the bottom. And when you create it here in the middle, maybe it's little to the left, little to the right. For now I'm not sure what's the best practice to create it completely in the middle. To be 100% sure, I think it's not possible, but we will see that later. So far we don't care about it, just go and drag it to the bottom, and it's simple as that. We already have some kind of shield shape. The problem is it looks a little bit weird in terms of maybe it's not like too beautiful, too nice. It's like some kind of squashed shape. So I will try to click on this left handle. So middle, select middle. If you're not selecting anything, select again with this reshape tool, select the middle circle, and there you can see those 2 small handles. So pick the left one and drag it to the left, and you can see how I changed the shape of the curve. And I will go with something like this. Yeah, same with the right one. I will click on the right handle and drag it, and you have to be careful, you can also rotate it. We don't want to do that, we want to stay in horizontal. Just go to the right and try to make it at the same distance as the left one, approximately again. And that's it, we have a simple shield which is too big, so let's rescale it. I will go to select button, select it, then on one of those circles in the corners and scale it to be smaller, and that's it. That's a shield. Very simple, but it works. I will click to select it, click to copy with this button here in top row, then paste it, because I want to create another shield, something like more like, yeah, like this, with some kind of shape which is pointy. It's like a corner, like not curve but more like a corner, to be more sharp. So it's very simple to do that, and that's why I made a copy. When you want to experiment with something, it's better to make a copy of something which you already have, just not to destroy it. So select the second shield, select the reshape again, select the middle circle point, and go to the second top row where you have curved and pointed, and click on pointed and check out how, as it's drawn on the icon, it will turn into a very sharp angle. Simple as that. So you can see we have two shields, very simple, but they are working. It looks good as a starting point. Later, maybe in some next video, I can add more details, like some kind of stars or dragons, lions, colors. We can try to make a wooden shield, metal shield, and so on, like in, I don't know, Zelda games and so on. But so far this is good enough. I will now copy this shape, select it, the first one, copy, and go to the cat, which I will show on the screen, and I will hide those two shields. And now I will paste the shield, which is now huge, but I will scale it, and I will check out how it looks on the cat. Yeah, not bad. I will rotate it a little bit. Yeah, but it looks good for a start, for some kind of fantasy game. So far so good. We will stop here, and in next videos we will try to make some other types of armor and weapons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.